wasn't recording that, but caught this bass start off the morning on the trial magnet, fishing these lip heads. Good way to start it off. Oh, he's peeing or pooping on me. Something. Yikes. Good fish, you can let him go. Wow. Second fish. I already caught a bass. I think my dad got a fish, and this is my second fish of the day. So we'll go. Ooh, nice perch. Sweet. Dang. Show you guys real quick. Let him go. Nice crappie. Cool. Cool. Let him go. Sweet. Finally. It's been a while since I caught a fish. I'll take this. Let him go. Oh, yes, sir. That's it. That's the slam. Almost lost him. Come on, crazy. Sweet. Oh, got him. He's in the boat still. Look at that, handsome. Come here. Very cool. Hey, now I got him. He's probably gonna kick off again. Let him go. Here he is. Yes. Bass. Cool. That's awesome. Let him go. Pickle. Trout magnet. Cool. There we go. Bass. Just around the swim digger. That's awesome. Cool. My dad just caught a pickerel. I got this bass. Awesome. He hooked up pretty good. There you go. Let him go.
Man, there's some big stuff moving around here.
What's going on, everybody? I'm back in the garage. Me and my dad actually wrapped everything up and got home with the kayaks and stuff. I actually had plans to meet my mom somewhere. We had this thing planned for a while now, and today was the day. She actually got her first tattoo, so I was able to help her out with that and join in the experience. So it was really cool. I think she's really satisfied and really just, you know, we're both just really happy with the outcome, you know. So yeah, so it was kind of a quick trip today. We weren't out there all day, unfortunately, and of course when we started leaving, things were popping off. Me and my dad were just talking about this fish that literally struck my my lure before leaving, like seconds before, and it literally felt like an alligator. Like, it was massive and it was pulling me. The wake it produced was something huge, and I don't think it was a pickerel, because if it was a pickerel that size, I think it really would have busted me off. I had a few incidences with pickerels earlier that day, and they busted me off, and they were not that size. They were a lot smaller. So the fact that this creature was this size and didn't bust me off really makes me believe that it was a bass. I'm hoping it was a bass. So we're probably going back there again soon. I don't really know when, but you know, now that we know that and we have an idea of the area, we're you know, very encouraged. So again, just checking in with you guys and letting you guys know what I'm up to, and you know, I didn't want to leave you guys hanging. So with that being said, please like, share, subscribe, and keep on casting.